What makes this beach home so special? The reasons are many. This is an opportunity to step inside to a piece of coastal design history. This home was originally built as the Coastal Living magazine's idea house in year 2000. The home was thoughtfully designed to embrace the beauty of the surroundings with effortless open layouts and breathtaking water views from every angle. This home was just listed and has sold, but before its new owners take over, let's take a look at the stunning seaside retreat and see that has set the standard for coastal living for over 2 decades.
Welcome to the Palm House, wrapped in breezy porches on 3 sides, the east, the south, and the west. This home is designed for seamless indoor-outdoor living. French doors open from every room onto deep galleries, offering views that shift with the light, from the golden sunrises to the vibrant coastal sunsets. Stepping inside, we are welcomed with 10-foot ceilings and an open floor plan, creating an airy, welcoming space. Whether you're in the living room, dining area, or kitchen, you are never far from the sights and sounds of the coast. Large windows invite natural light in, making every moment feel like a postcard-worthy scene. Even the most tucked-away corners of this home feel connected to nature. The office alcove, one of my favorite rooms, is just off the primary suite and offers a quiet retreat while still capturing a sense of openness. And the sleeping porch, a dreamy escape where the rhythm of the waves become your nighttime lullaby. With 3 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, the home was designed to provide both privacy and connection. Each space flows effortlessly, embracing the ease of waterfront living.
Are you new to this channel? My name's Denise, and we talk about the real estate here on South Padre Island. If that's of interest to you, then hit subscribe so you won't miss an update. With over 2,492 square feet, this home is 3 levels. On the first floor, you've got your entryway and garage. Second floor is your living, dining, kitchen area, and a beautiful bedroom. The third floor hosts your master bedroom with a special office off the side overlooking the beach waters and that third bedroom. And now, as this home prepares for its new chapter, we take a last look at this home as it was imagined 20 years ago. Now that it will be reimagined again, we will do our best to give you a tour once it's updated and complete. The Coastal Living Idea House is one of my favorites in our community. I can remember the excitement and the opening party for the Palm House years ago. Coastal Living featured this home as their idea house on the cover of their magazine 20 years ago. They gave the option to write or call in and send around $500 and you would receive a copy of the working plans. Thanks for joining us on this special tour. And if you're interested in a beach home of your own, reach out. Our family team would love to help you, or if you have any questions in general. Until next time, this is Denise signing off from the shores of South Padre Island.